Good morning, Sister Woods. This is enhancement number 1, 2019. I'd like to show you, I have my template right here, shows your PHP, and I have the home page, also showing your PHP, and when I got down to here, after watching your presentation, I thought it was an absolutely amazing idea to try to use a table for the recipes, and so I tried it, and what an amazing, phenomenal idea. I cannot believe how much easier that was. It was fantastic. Okay, let's go here. So I will show you my homepage first. Here's my homepage. And here is tools. Validate local CSS. I have one error, and I'm not sure what it is. I could not figure it out. I played with it for a while, but I can't find it. I can't figure out what it wants me to do. And then we'll validate the local HTML. Oh shoot, I gotta go to this page. Okay, local HTML. And those weren't there before. I'll go back in and look at those tomorrow. It's time to go to bed. Okay, so there was a couple of errors that showed up. I did do a little bit of playing and a little bit of rearranging. And I thought I checked this right when I was finished, but I must not have. The same with, go back, and did I do the template? Not yet. It's the same with the CSS. I need to look at this. This is something that's an issue. I changed this a little bit. I did not know it brought up an error. Okay. My responsiveness, I have really good responsiveness on everything except, and there's my responsiveness, on everything except for the mobile portrait. And everything's in my CSS, but I'm not sure why it is not showing. Everything's in the CSS. Okay, so I think that covered everything. All right. So this concludes my number 1, my first enhancement. I'm pretty proud of myself. I actually did better than I thought I would. So thank you so very much for working with me, and I will send you another next week. Have a good one. Thank you.